Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for this episode of Let's Try Everything, we're taking another step further in healthy cooking. Because for this video, we're going to try to air fry this plant-based burger patty. Wow! But before anything else, guys, I'm Luis, your dimpled engineer. And of course, I'm with my dog, Pretty Olaf, the Maltese. And this is our YouTube channel. So okay guys, I got this plant-based burger patty from deli.ph. So I bought 5 pieces of this burger patty. So each burger patty costs 135 pesos or roughly $2.70. Guys, this is a repacked Beyond Meat brand. This is called Beyond Burger. So if you're also interested in trying out this Beyond Burger plant-based burger patty, you can check them out in deli.ph, and they also have their own Facebook page. But a little disclaimer, guys, this is not a sponsored video. I would just like to share with you if we can actually air fry this plant-based burger patty. So taking that healthy cooking further. So okay guys, a little trivia. Plant-based meat not only helps you become healthy, but it also helps preserve our environment. So okay guys, without any more further ado, let's go to my kitchen and let's air fry this plant-based burger patty. So okay guys, welcome back. Here we are. We're ready to air fry the plant-based burger patty. But before starting air frying, it is advisable to preheat our air fryer. So guys, let's preheat the air fryer at 200 degrees Celsius for 3 minutes. I'll be back. So guys, the 3 minutes preheat is already done, and now I'm very excited. Let's try to air fry this plant-based burger patties. So it's by the way guys, the weight of each patty is around 70 grams. Okay. Okay guys, make sure that the patty is not frozen. Okay. Nice. Guys, for this video, we're going to try to air fry 2 patties because that's the capacity of my air fryer. So guys, just a little reminder, when cooking, always make sure that your hands are clean. Plant-based. So okay guys, since this is the first time I'm trying out air frying plant-based burger patty, let's do a little experiment. So first, let's try setting the temperature at 180 degrees Celsius, and let's time it. Set the timer for 8 minutes. don't go anywhere, guys, because I'll be coming back. So okay guys, after 4 minutes we're half through. Let's check out our burger patty. See, there's oil, it's juicy. Let's continue cooking. Okay guys, 8 minutes is almost done. Now let's check out if it's already cooked. Ooh, juicy. I think after 8 minutes, let's check out the other side. I think let's give it another probably 3 minutes at 180 degrees also. Okay, 180 degrees for 3 minutes. So okay guys, don't go anywhere, I'll be right back. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay guys, let's check it out again. Check them out. Juicy. I think our plant-based burger is already done. Yes. Let's just transfer it to our plate. Nice. So okay guys, for quick recap, we preheat the air fryer for 3 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius, and total cooking time of this plant-based burger patty is 11 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. So once again guys, 11 minutes and the temperature is at 180 degrees Celsius. So guys, stay tuned. We're going to find out how this plant-based burger patty tastes like when cooked in our air fryer. Let's go. How's the taste? Does it taste like the real thing? The real burger patty?
Tastes like meatloaf.
Is it worth the switch? Can you get more?
Sure. Yeah. More.
Wow! Can you say that this plant-based burger patties can replace the real beef burger patty?
I like the spiciness.
If I didn't tell you that this is plant-based, would you be able to identify the difference? Or the taste is
like 80%. 80% tastes like meat.
So there you have it, guys. This is the last bite. Don't worry, my little rooster, you're safe. From now on, I will definitely recommend switching to plant-based meat. So if you're interested in trying it out, you can check deli.ph for their Beyond the Meat. They also have sausage, I think, and the burger patty. So there you have it, guys. It really tastes good. As what my wife said, it's around 80% taste like the real meat, real beef patty. And once again, guys, thank you very much for watching my video. And if you happen to like this video, kindly click the like button because it really helps this video to be promoted by YouTube. And if you're not yet my subscriber, guys, I would really appreciate it if you will subscribe to my channel. And if it's not too much to ask, hit the notification bell too, so you will not miss any of my future uploads. And once again, guys, stay home, stay safe, be healthy. God bless everyone, and see you on my next video.